In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your X.com, formerly Twitter, account step by step. This is a quick and simple process, but I'll also explain what happens after you deactivate, so you know exactly what to expect before you confirm anything. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and account setup guides just like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, log into your X account on desktop and look at the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. You want to click on More? This opens up additional options for your account settings. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside Settings, click on Your Account. This section contains important options related to your account access, ownership, and deactivation. Now look for Deactivate Your Account and click it. At this point, X will show you the deactivation details, and this is very important to read carefully. It will explain that your account will be deleted permanently after 30 days of inactivity. That means, if you do not log back in during that period, your profile, posts, and account data may be removed permanently. If you're sure you want to continue, click Deactivate. X will then ask you to enter your account password to confirm that it's really you. Type in your password carefully, then click Deactivate one last time to finish the process. And that's it. Your X.com account has now been deactivated. Just remember, if you change your mind, you may be able to reactivate it by logging back in before the 30-day period ends. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.